All right, let's begin our math lesson today, boys and girls. And you're going to pull this booklet out of your math folder. And we're going to go to worksheet 17A. It's called Guided Class Practice. You'll see the number 16 at the top. And then down at the bottom, you have the number 41. This is page 41, okay? So let's go ahead and start by writing the number 16 at the top. Number 16, as you can see, is a 1 and a 6 next to each other. So let's say it as we write it. 16. 16. 16. Start at the dot again one more time, and 16. And remember, 6 is all a curvy letter, right? Okay, so there we have our 16s written. Okay, number 2, this is a story problem. Okay, so follow along with me. It says 2 dogs were playing in Tony's yard. Draw a picture to show the 2 dogs. So we're doing our math picture. We're mathematicians, so we're not drawing dogs. We're just going to draw circles to represent. That's going to be in place of the 2 dogs. Okay, so we have 2. Then 3 more dogs came to play. So now we have to draw a picture to show the dogs that came to play. So now we're going to do the same thing, use a math, and this is a putting together problem because it wants to know how many dogs are playing in Tony's yard now. So to show put together, you have to put your plus sign first, remember? Okay, now you can draw the 3 dogs by using the 3 circles to show the 3 dogs. Okay, 2 circles, a plus sign, and then 3 more circles, right? We're using math language right now. This is an art class, so that's why we're not drawing pictures of dogs right now. Okay, so let's answer now. How many dogs are playing in Tony's yard altogether? Do we have to guess? We don't even say 2 over here plus 3 over here. We count them all. Okay, the problem is 2 plus 3, but let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so as mathematicians, we just proved that 2 dogs plus 3 dogs equals 5 dogs altogether. So you're going to write your 5 right there. Okay, there's a line for you to write on. Okay, so write the missing numbers between 6 and 9. So if I count in my head, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did you hear what I said after 6? The number after 6 is 7, so we're going to write this. And then this is called mental math when you're doing it just in your mind. And after 7 comes 8. And that's what that looks like, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? All right, number 4, color the pennies brown. So you want to find a brown crayon. Mine's little because it got broken, but that's okay. And you're going to count as you color, okay? And you should ask your parents, by the way, if they have a penny to show you. See if you can find a penny that has the Lincoln Memorial on the back, that building right there. Some of the pennies have different things on the back, okay? So here we go. I'm going to count as I color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all together, I colored 5 pennies. So again, I'm going to write the number 5, but this time right here to show that there are 5 pennies. All right. Now down at the bottom, we have a graph, and the graph is sideways. So our weather graph goes the other way. So this is another way that you can graph. And shapes are graphed this time. So the first thing we have to do is count. It says how many shapes are in each row, and a row goes this way. And says write the number in front of each row. So go ahead and count triangles, and you can do it with me or do it on your own. 1, 2, 3, 4. I counted 4. Did you get 4? Okay, so then what you do is you write your 4 right here. Okay, now we're going to go to the next row and count the circles. 1, 2, 3. I counted 3 circles. Did you count 3? Great. So write your 3 right there. Okay, now we're going to count squares. Look at all those squares. Let's count those together, or you can count without me if you want to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I counted 8. Did you get 8? Okay, so then I'm going to write my 8 right here. Okay, Now it looks like we're done, but we're not done yet because there's some more instructions here. So the next thing it says to do is use a red crayon. So find your red crayon. It says use a red crayon to color the row with the fewest. Fewest. So fewest is the same as the littlest or the shortest. Okay, so which one is the shortest? Well, you can look and see and compare. It's really easy on a graph to see that the one with the fewest is the one with the circles, okay, because there's only 3. Okay, and then you're going to find a blue crayon, please, to do the last part of this question, which reads, use a blue crayon to color the row with the most. So what does the most mean? In this case, it would mean the longest. Sometimes it's the tallest. Okay, so let's go ahead and color that row in with our blue crayon. And then it's really easy to see because we've color coded now. You can really see that the squares are the longest, and you can really see that the circles are the shortest. And what's in the middle? What shape is the middle of these? That would be the four triangles. That's midway in between the 3 and the 8, or not midway, but it's second or second place, right? Okay, so we're all done with this lesson. Great job on your sex and math today. Give yourself an exit ticket at the top, and then this is going to get put away. Remember to put this away so you don't lose it. Put it away in your blue folder. And good job today on your math.